What do you want, scumbag? Listen here, scumbag. My wife and I had sex last night and she was on her period. Got blood everywhere, all over the sheets, all over my clothes, all over her clothes. I'm not in a goddamn mood today, thank you very much. And stop that whistling bullshit while you're at it, too. Only faggots and sailors whistle. Jesus H. Christ, on a fucking cracker. How many goddamn times do I have to tell you I'm doing laundry? Stop ringing my doorbell. Stop knocking on my door and get the fuck out of here. Thank you very much. Holy dog shit, you're from Texas. Only steers and queers come from Texas, private snowflake. And you don't look like a steer to me, so that pretty much narrows it down.